DJM TV.
Joe Biden, the US president, don tok say im go sanction Nigeria and other countries on top LGBTQ matter. My Sabilicious person, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop better channel wey dey give you all the news dem wey you need to know on top our country Nigeria and the things wey dey happen even around the world. No matter what we carry on and one kind very touchy subject like that based on the way the thing be for Nigeria. Now, the US president don tok say dem don dey ready to favour pipo wey dey under the LGBTQI umbrella for Nigeria and other countries with resettlement visas and other things there, and dem go sanction Nigeria and the other countries wey dey trample on the right of dis set of pipo. Now, LGBTQI plus means lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, intersex and others. For one memorandum wey the American president sign, im don direct American agencies and their embassies for other countries dem to make sure say the US diplomacy and foreign assistance promote and protect the rights of LGBTQI plus pipo. The US say dem go use everything within their power, including sanction, to twist the hand and punish government worldwide wey no support the community of these people. Many people get laws against LGBTQI plus for inside this Africa, including Nigeria. Now, for 2014, now the former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan, signed law wey be like say they give 14 years imprisonment to anybody wey dey under this LGBTQI plus, sake of say they no want her for Nigeria. Now, e dey important to know say this memorandum wey this Biden sign shall not be law, but e dey expected say those when the person dey give this instruction to supposed to follow this thing. Now, more see some of the policies dem wey this guy dey wan bring. Now, the memo dey do a turnaround policy on top wetin Donald Trump don sign before. You know say former president of the US don tok say America na free land and they no dey force anybody to do anything. So Oga Biden don give US agencies 100 days to report to the presidency on their progress and recommend additional actions wey dem go fit take on top of this LGBTQI matter. Now, US don tok say dem know say people wey dey under LGBTQI plus dem dey face discrimination, threat, punishment, arrest and many other things for their different countries, and say because of that one, America don dey ready to accept these people into their country and go give them wetin dem dey call resettlement visa for America. Now, e say the federal government dey take all the appropriate steps to make sure say they give them priority one for embassy so that they go fit identify and sharply process resettlement visa for people wey dey under this LGBTQI because they dey highly vulnerable and they need protection. Now, this one mean say US embassy all around the world, now dem go begin dey go find asylum seekers wey dey under this LGBTQI plus, and they go come dey help these people to dey escape comot for their home country come America so that they go fit give them this resettlement visa. Now, the US government don tok say based on say many countries dey depend on the US for different form of assistance and aid, based on say na dem be the biggest economy for the world, say now dem wan put condition on top of all those aid and support. Say any countries wey get law wey dey persecute LGBTQI people go see say US go begin remove hand for their matter. Dem no go dey borrow them or they even dey dash them money. Dem no go dey allow their companies dey do business with a US company. That means say small countries dey like Ghana wey bin dey enjoy US aid before, dem no go see all those support again because of say the US government wan make sure say they no dey persecute LGBTQI people. Now, this one also dey target foreign government officials or ministries wey dey clear say dem no dey protect their people wey be LGBTQI plus, dem no go dey receive financial aid or even visa anything from the US. Now, according to Human Rights Watch, over 70 countries for the world get laws wey dey criminalize LGBTQI plus, as the way they make them say that these people they be criminal. If they catch you say you be LGBTQI plus, you dey go in for in. And say out of these 70 countries wey dey the whole world, many of them dey for Africa. They include Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Togo, Senegal, Uganda, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Kenya, Guinea, and many others dem. And now US president don say no more financial support. They go give them visa sanction over these LGBTQI laws wey they get. As expected, many Nigerians don come outside come react to this thing wey they hear say the US president, the US government wan sanction Nigeria because of our laws dem wey no dey favour the LGBTQI plus people. Many people don come outside say all these kind things they no dey like am. Say why e be like say na so former US president wey be Barack Obama come, he wan do the same thing. Nigerian government tell dem say we no agree for this thing, no be part of our life, no be our culture, no be our tradition, we no want. The matter rest small. Donald Trump come, the thing no, he no even talk that matter go themself. Say now Joe Biden don come now, he call the one like say he wan use force take force American laws on Nigeria, say we must begin accept LGBTQI plus people. Nigerians don come as I call react say this kind thing na dem dey like so. They say say our country na very religious country. We get the Christian religion, we get the Muslim religion, we get the traditional religion and other sets of religions. And they say none of these religions they support same-sex marriage or couple. As such, not even Nigerian thing. Now say first of all, our tradition no dey even dey first dey support am. Then our religion no dey support am. And then morally, although many Nigerians don dey begin dey come out, they talk say, oh, they come out. You know when they say they come out, they say I be gay, I be LGBTQI plus member, all those stuff. But we know say for Nigeria here now it dey law. Say if you come out, they catch you, they go jail you for 14 years. Northern Nigeria, no, they will they jail you. My brother, na straight up, straight. You know that kind of thing. You cross over, go the other side sharply because no one ever use ear to even hear the matter. Say for countries like Zimbabwe, Senegal, Kenya, Egypt, Morocco, Ghana, Sierra Leone, them, even Jamaica, Barbados, Dominica, Saint Vincent, all those countries, them, anybody be LGBTQI, bro, sis, na prison straight up. They not even they 1 year the matter 2 times. Because say they don't want anything where go make their country cause they do some kind of things they not like. Now some people don't come out and say, Joe Biden don't do well. He don't support LGBTQI plus community. At least he go make the pressure on these people for countries they lesser. They not go to arrest them again. At least they go they free to live their life. Or they free to marry who they want marry. You know those kind of things. Them. Well, na Nigeria we know how the thing be. Nigerians, they want those kind. They don't want all those kind of matter. The doctor say lie, Joe Biden, you know if he force this one or no. Say this one. So now one matter will be like say we know every year self things what they battle with right now. Now this nama people wahala where they do some kind akamuka there for our country there. Now that one they want try make the government reason. Not go bring another thing. Want to distract our government sometimes they easily distracted. You know, Okoyibo. Sometimes they don't want to bring another thing come past their eye go follow that new thing. So more than not call distract our government and wetin Nigerians they talk. We say I beg, Joe Biden carry this your matter go one side first. We not fair reason this your matter. More we first talk of how we will solve the security challenge for our country Nigeria before you dey bring this your LGBTQI plus matter come. You self, my country brother and sister, how you reason this matter to be? When you it also make all their embassies and agencies try to push for the right of LGBTQI people for different countries. It good, I be not good. Talk your matter. I beg not forget to like and to share this video. In case you never subscribe, with a count on you, I beg just touch that subscribe button. You see that bell way nearer, touch that bell so that anytime we will drop a better matter then for here, you go know say we don't come again to touch light to another better story. Make you not forget say dis na still DJM TV daily news update. And me wey dey bring you dis news, my name na Lawuru Favour.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV.